Hi, it's Ken with EmployTest, and we're going to explain the score report format for several of our skills tests. This here is the Microsoft Office 365 test, the 30-minute timed version. You'll see the candidate or the test taker information at the top, and the date, the time, the clock time that they took, and how long they spent within the test. 92% correct. So of the 36 questions in this test, they scored or they answered 92% of them correct. It breaks it down by basic level, intermediate level, and advanced level questions with a score for each, 94, 94, and 0 on the advanced because they missed that one. And then it breaks it down by topic. So there's 2 calendar questions on this one, and they answered 2 out of 3 of them correct. So works the same for the other topics. At the bottom, you'll see a table which shows you question level information. So question 21, auto sum, was correct. They spent 3 seconds in this question, and it's an intermediate level. Question 7, Outlook scheduling recurring meeting, red X, they missed it, 45 seconds, beginner level question. Sometimes you'll see if a time test and they didn't get through all the questions, you'll see a black dash indicating that that answer was not attempted because they ran out of time. This is the Microsoft Office test. If we look at another popular test, attention to detail test, top information is the same. This has several time sections, 94% correct on this one too. A few of our tests had more information for this account score or all recorded scores. That helps you understand a little bit more about what the overall averages for all of these tests are. Sometimes you'll see a percentile ranking, 94% correct, scored in the 80th percentile, which means that they scored higher than 80% of the people on this test, the test takers, and lower than 20% of the test takers. So that gives you a little bit more information about comparing it to other applicants. Again, the same breakdown by level here, and then also by topic. And then at the bottom, you will see the table with question by question level or information, green for correct, time spent, and the level per test. So this is a breakdown of how the test reports work for many of our skills tests.